Welcome to our video on leveraging Mendix for manufacturing operations. Today, we'll explore how this low-code platform can revolutionize your operations management, offering tailored solutions that enhance efficiency and adaptability in the fast-paced manufacturing sector. In the manufacturing industry, operational efficiency is crucial. Traditional software often falls short in meeting the unique demands of large-scale production. Mendix low-code empowers you to build custom applications swiftly without needing extensive coding expertise. Mendix is a leading low-code platform designed for rapid application development. It addresses the complex challenges faced by manufacturing operations, from optimizing production lines to managing supply chains, ensuring seamless integration of digital solutions. With Mendix, you can rapidly develop solutions tailored to your specific operations. This reduces deployment time, lowers costs, and enhances adaptability to industry changes, whether automating workflows or managing real-time data effectively. Mendix offers key features that are game changers for manufacturing operations. Its drag-and-drop automation digitizes processes effortlessly, while real-time data integration from IoT devices allows for on-the-fly operational adjustments. The scalability of Mendix ensures your applications run seamlessly across multiple devices, from desktops to mobile devices on the factory floor. This flexibility supports efficient operations management in diverse manufacturing environments. Real-world case studies highlight Mendix's transformative power. One manufacturing operation optimized production line management, reducing downtime by 30%. Another streamlined its supply chain, achieving faster response times and improved efficiency. Implementing Mendix is straightforward. Begin by gathering your requirements, then use the low-code platform to build your application in weeks, not months. Integration with existing ERP or MES systems ensures smooth data flow and consistency. The future of low-code in industrial operations is promising. With Mendix, you can leverage emerging technologies like predictive analytics and AI/ML to anticipate maintenance needs, optimize resource allocation, and enhance decision-making. As industries continue to digitize, Mendix is paving the way for smarter, more efficient operations. Its adaptability and speed make it an ideal choice for manufacturing operations looking to stay ahead in a competitive landscape. Mendix low-code is revolutionizing operations management by providing a faster, more adaptable, and cost-effective way to build solutions. It's time to explore how Mendix can enhance your manufacturing operations for a smarter future. Thank you for joining us in exploring Mendix for manufacturing operations. We hope this video has provided valuable insights into how Mendix can transform your operations, driving efficiency and innovation in the manufacturing sector. Reach out to Digivisory and experience how we can support your digital transformation journey.